Hi there, wonderful writers. It's Mrs. Opfer, and today we're talking all about our opinion. What is the best vegetable? What adjectives come to mind when you see a picture of broccoli? Green? Crunchy? Maybe that's the best veggie. What adjectives come to mind when you see these carrots? I can think of a color word, orange. I know that they grow under the ground, and I think they're pretty delicious. How about these green beans? Maybe a little bit spicy if you put some yummy seasoning on them. Definitely green. I think long and skinny are two other good adjectives. Maybe none of those are your favorite vegetable. I wonder if your opinion will be something else today.
All of those veggies looked so yummy. Let's review our opinion topic for today. Read with me. What is the best vegetable? Carrots, green beans, broccoli. It kind of looks like a tree, huh? Or something else. Remember, writers, that we think, decide, and explain. Right now, I want you to think and decide. Pause the video if you need to. Thumb up if you've decided on the best vegetable. Oh, me too. Today, writers, we're going to make sure we tell why. Opinion writers tell why using different starters and the word because. Maybe we can find some of these opinion words in our story writing today. I think because. I like because. There are lots more good choices. I think I'm going to come down here though. I haven't looked at this one yet. The best thing about is because. Wow, every starter has the word because. Let's see if we can find some of these great opinion words in our writing samples today. Any guesses about Mrs. Opfer's favorite vegetable? Oh, how did you know? My favorite, or the best vegetable in my opinion, is broccoli. So I thought about it and I decided. I colored in the broccoli. I still need to make a beautiful picture here, but I did get a good start on my words. Read with me. I think broccoli is the best vegetable because it tastes delicious. I can put cheese on top of my broccoli. It is the best. Because it looks like little trees. It is fun to eat. Wow, writers, did you notice? I wrote so much in my story today that I had to use the back of my paper. You might need to do that too. Your grown-ups can print this extra lined paper for you if you need it. Wow, take a look at my broccoli best vegetable story. Do you notice any good opinion words? Oh, I see one. I see two. I see three. So I use the starter, I think. I use that important opinion word to help explain because, and I use the word best. Writers, I want you to try that today as you write and draw about the best vegetable. I have one more sample I want to show you, and then it will be time for you to get started. Here's a story that one of my students wrote a couple of years ago. What a great picture. Look at those teeth. Now, he didn't choose broccoli, carrots, or green beans. He chose something else. It rhymes with schmellery. You got it. He chose celery. Let's look for some great opinion words that this writer used to explain his thinking. I think celery is the best because I can dip it in ranch. Also, it is crunchy. Ooh, great adjective there. Can you take a look at this writer's opinion story and find some great opinion words? Oh, I see one. I see two. I see three. Good job. He used the word think, best, and because. Writers, today and every day, I want you to explain your thinking with some telling why opinion words. It's time to get writing. We'll see you soon.